Right. 93 Dodge Dakota. SAS. All Chevy 3/4 ton. Conservative lift. Trash in the bed because it's a truck. Missing a throttle cable, but otherwise intact. Alright. Wrap up of the wiring. Let's see if it'll start. No glow plugs or exhaust. Nothing too fancy. There it is. Little water separator. Haven't finished the wiring. Still wrapping up things. Good. Charging. Battery's low. Diesel fuel only. Now on. There's the donor truck. 83 Chevy Blazer. Red block, 6.2 diesel. Dodge paint. Looks good on one side, not the other. That's it.